So next we're going to do is show you how to change the air filter. Pretty simple stuff, but again, it's always nice to have a video showing what to do and how. Again, the C1 pump and the C2 pump. This is my 2-cylinder inline 5 to 7.5 horse pump. This is my 4-cylinder V-style 7.5 to 10 horse pump. Both have the same air filter. The difference is the C1 pump has 1 intake, so you only need 1 air filter for maintenance. The C2 has 2 air filters, so you'll need 2 air filters for maintenance. They both use the same air filter, which is the 16D air filter. You can get that from any one of our distributors. Same with the oil, like we talked about earlier. Now to change the air filter, it's as simple as popping the cover off, taking the old air filter out, putting it back in, and reinstalling your wing nut. The air filter should be changed based on visual inspection. Every shop, every application is different in terms of the amount of dust, dirt, grime, and everything else in the atmosphere and the air. So obviously a dirtier, dustier shop, body shops that they're exposed to that body dust, farm shops that maybe there's a turkey barn situation, those types of applications you want to check more frequently and change. Super simple, super easy. That's how you change the air filter. And again, this part number on the air filter for both these pumps is the 16D.